Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the delicious world of Cinco de Mayo celebrations. You lot better have your aprons ready, because we're about to explore the top 10 traditional foods that make this holiday so special. We're talking about food so good, it'll make you shout Viva Mexico at the top of your lungs. First up, we've got the mighty taco. This humble street food has taken the world by storm, and for good reason. It's the perfect combination of simplicity and flavor, a true testament to the art of Mexican cuisine. Street vendors take pride in their recipes, often passed down through generations. Each taco is a masterpiece, a blend of textures and flavors that dance on your taste buds. We're talking soft, warm tortillas piled high with your choice of juicy fillings. From slow-cooked carnitas to spicy chorizo, the possibilities are endless. Fresh cilantro, diced onions, and a variety of salsas to choose from. Each topping adds a new layer of flavor and texture, enhancing the overall experience. A squeeze of lime. It's the finishing touch that brings everything together. The acidity of the lime cuts through the richness of the meat, adding a zesty brightness that elevates the entire dish. Next up, we've got enchiladas, a true testament to Mexican culinary genius. Imagine this. Soft corn tortillas dipped in a rich, smoky sauce, filled with tender meat or cheese, then smothered in even more sauce and cheese. It's like a warm hug on a plate, only 1,000 times more delicious. And don't even think about using that store-bought sauce, you hear me? Make it from scratch, you lazy sod. Now, let's talk tamales, a labor of love that's well worth the effort. These little parcels of joy are made with masa dough, filled with savory meats or cheeses, wrapped in corn husks and steamed to perfection. The result? A soft, fluffy, and utterly addictive treat that'll have you licking your fingers and begging for more. No Cinco de Mayo Fiesta is complete without a big bowl of guacamole, the holy grail of dips. Forget that bland store-bought mush, we're talking about the real deal here. Ripe avocados mashed with onions, tomatoes, cilantro, lime juice, and a touch of jalapeno for a kick. It's so good you'll want to eat it with a spoon. For a taste of Mexican history, look no further than Chiles and Nogada. This dish is a celebration of Mexican flavors and colors, with its red, white, and green ingredients representing the Mexican flag. We're talking roasted Poblano peppers, stuffed with a savory mixture of meat and fruits, covered in a creamy walnut sauce, and sprinkled with pomegranate seeds. It's a feast for the eyes and the stomach. Now, let's talk about mole poblano, the king of all sauces. This complex and flavorful sauce is made with a blend of chili peppers, spices, nuts, and even chocolate. It's rich, it's savory, it's got a hint of sweetness, and it's absolutely divine poured over chicken or enchiladas. Trust me, this sauce is so good, it'll make you want to lick the plate clean. Looking for something hearty and satisfying? Look no further than pozole, a traditional Mexican stew that'll warm you from the inside out. This flavorful dish is made with hominy, your choice of meat, and a flavorful broth, topped with fresh cabbage, radishes, lime, and oregano. It's the perfect dish to share with family and friends on a chilly evening. Finally, we've got to wash down all this delicious food with something refreshing. And what better choice than horchata, a traditional Mexican drink made with rice, milk, cinnamon, and sugar. It's sweet, it's creamy, and it's the perfect way to end your Cinco de Mayo feast. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious content. Let us know in the comments which traditional food is your favorite for Cinco de Mayo. Until next time, keep celebrating, cooking, and sharing the love for great food. Thanks for watching.